Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 389 different strategies, with 122 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 287 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,046 indicators, with 436 of them being winners. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the rolling ATR bands indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen and jump into the settings. And specifically what we are looking for is the colors right here. So first, go ahead and turn off the show break and show retest labels right here. And then what you'll do is go to the neutral color right here. Now on the default setting, it has a neutral color, something like that. And you can see here how it just kind of fades in and out, that red and that green. So what we're going to do is just turn that neutral color all the way down. And now you can see a very clear break in between the greens and the reds. And that's what we're looking for. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the machine learning Lorentzian classification indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings of this one. And so with this one, what we are looking for is we are looking for the show bar color right here. We're going to go ahead and turn that off. That's kind of optional if you want to or not. It's up to you. And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the show bar prediction values, this one right here. And then go ahead and click OK. Once you do that, everything should look as I have on screen now. And so what we're looking for is we're looking for the labels from the Lorentzian classification. You can see here, they are kind of a brownish type translucent color, but you can clearly see that there are green ones and we'll call them red ones. More specifically, you can see the ones under the price action are going to be the green ones, or the long tags or long labels. The ones above are going to be the red ones, or the short labels or tags. And that's what we're looking for, is a short label like this right here. And once we get that short label, we're then looking at the ATR bands indicator, and we want the background to be red as it is here. And so once those two line up, that'll be your signal to then enter into a short. You're going to put your trade right there. We're going to put our stop right at the top of the ATR bands channel, and then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we make a nice climb to the downside, getting us to our take profit pretty quickly. And for a long trade, what we were looking for again is the tag from the Lorentzian classification. In this case, we're looking for the green tag like this here. Once we get the green tag, we then look for the background of the ATR bands, and we want that to be green. You can see it is green right there behind price action. And so that'll be your signal to then enter into a long. Put your trade right there. Put your stop right at the lower ATR bands an area right there, and then target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. All right, you can see we make a little bit, run into a little bit of consolidation here, but then we make this nice push to the upside, once again getting us to our take profit. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 30 winning trades and 20 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 60% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $18,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $8,000 for an overall gain of $10,000 altogether. So a really decent win rate and a really decent gain all around. And so definitely a pretty good strategy, all things considered. And so now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 51 trades altogether. We had 41 winning trades and 10 losing trades, putting it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $24,600. On the losing side, you'd have lost $12,000 for an overall gain of $12,600. So better results. I wouldn't say significantly better results than this strategy, but definitely better results. Now, if you had applied the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons to the Academy of Forex indicator, it would have definitely skyrocketed the win rate quite significantly to the high 90%, which means that your total gain would have been closer to the $24,000. And so that definitely is a better result. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just the other day, we closed out the 32nd and 33rd winning trade in a row. Still maintaining that 100% win rate. We are almost at the 2-month mark now with 100% profitability. That's using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons that I mentioned just a moment ago. I'll put a screenshot up of the 2 trades on screen now, one right after another. And back testing, this strategy did over 200 trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. So it's a very powerful combination. As a matter of fact, we are so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. So if you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy, then we will give you your money back. You can go to our Discord and go down to the money back guarantee and read up more on the money back guarantee if that's something you're interested in. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.